Founders Presidential Award, Marcos Mamay. Award to Marcos Mamay greatly supported the Founders Organization and contributed significantly to many categories to recognize advocacy, leadership, and industry impact advocacy. Mayor Mamay's contributions to the film industry includes presenting awards in active participation in celebrating Filipino talent and his commitment to the entertainment industry. Founders Presidential Awardee, Honorable Marcos Mamay.
Excuse me.
To present the awards, we have Mr. Pama Di Magpanat, Attorney Hazel, Engineer Robert Peter Lloyd, Professor Elson Montalvo, GK College, B. Hazel.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow advocates of Philippine cinema and media. Tonight, I stand before you not only as a public servant, but also as a humble servant of the arts and advocate of the power of storytelling, culture, and truth. To be recognized by the FAMAS, this presidential award, is an honor that I accept with deep gratitude and humility. As a three-term mayor of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte, and now Vice Mayor serving alongside my daughter as Municipal Mayor, I have always believed that leadership is not limited to governance alone. It is also about building platforms where voices can be heard, where creativity can flourish, and where stories that reflect the soul of our nation can be told. Producing films and supporting media initiatives has given me another avenue to contribute to nation building by preserving our heritage, amplifying Filipino talent, and inspiring future generations. I dedicate this award to my family, who have been my constant source of strength, to the people of Nunungan, who inspire me every day to push boundaries, and to the Filipino audience, whose love for our culture keeps our film and media industry alive. Maraming salamat po, FAMAS, for this great honor. Mabuhay ang pelikula ng Pilipino at mabuhay kanila. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Honorable Marcos Mamay, FAMAS Presidential Awardee.